Hello Justin, this is April from MB1200A. I want to take a video to show you our finished MB1200A in our factory. It is almost the same with the one MBD1200A you required. Of course, difference is this one have two aggregate pins, but the one you inquiry have four aggregate pins. Functions are almost the same, so I introduce you some detail parts. I will introduce one by one. First, the aggregate system. This is the aggregate bins. It has two bins. One bin volume is 3.5 cubic meter, and it will discharge into the belt conveyor under the bottom of the aggregate bins, and by the belt conveyor into the mixer. The aggregate is weighed by the load cell under the mixer. I show you the load cells under the mixer. Wait a moment. You can see there are three load cells under the mixer. They just used for weighing the aggregates inside the mixer. This is the aggregate system. Another system is the water and additive. You can see there is a small water tank here. Its volume is not so big. Inside there is a water pump. Always we will adopt Grandford brand, but now the delivery time is too long. So sometimes we maintain the same quality but different brand. Water is pumped by the water pump into the water winning hooper, and a moment later I will show you the water collecting hooper. And these are the additive pumps. This candidate required two kinds of additive, so we just match him two additive pumps. You can see the connect with the additives. There are steel pumps to connect the hose. The hose will directly connect with your additive tank. The additive tank is prepared by yourself. Water and the additive is weighed by the flow meter. You can see the flow meter on the pipe. These two flow meter are for additive, and this one is for water winning. You can see here. This flow meter is on the pipes connected with the water tank. These pumps will go into a collect hooper for water and additive. Let me show you. You can see this is the water pumps. The roof one is the pumps. The small one is the additive pumps. Water and additive are weighed by flow meter and then go into a collector hooper under the mixer. This type can save some feeding time, so the capacity can be bigger than the common type. This is the water and additive system. And another system is the cement system. This is a big bag silo. This is just for cement in bags. Inside the cement silo there is a bag cutter system. Let me show you. The cylinder wheel also match a ladder and a safety guard, so you can check its conditions at any time. Sorry, our workers don't install the knives yet, but this is the knife's frame. Knives will connect the frame by these holes. Inside there is you can use the forklift to raise the bags on top of this cover and then directly drop in it. The bags will cut and the cement will go into the hopper. There will be a cover for it, of course, but we don't installation yet. See, from here you can see the top frame of the concrete mixer, and this hopper is the collector hopper for water additive, as I introduced. This big one is the cement winning hopper. The cement will go into the cement winning hopper by spool conveyor. This is the additive, water additive and cement feeding and winning system. You can see the cement winning hopper load cell. We use media brand. The air compressor is also put on the frame of on top of the mixer. Of course, all the materials will finally fill into the mixer to finish the mixing work. This big mixer brand is Conila. It is the leading brand in China market, and also it is famous all over the world. They have more than 50 years experience on manufacturing. And let me show you the inside of the mixer. This is the discharge door of the mixer. It is discharged by hydraulic. And let me show you the inside of the mixer. There is a small platform for you to check the mixer, the conditioner. You can see, you can open this small door to check the comfort conditions by this force. It is safe. Let me try to open it. Sorry. You can see there is a net to keep the safe of the workers. This is the inside of the mixer. This is the side scraper, and this is the mixing arm and the blade. You can see the liners very thick, and the whole liners and mixing blades can change after 50,000 cubic meters. This the introduction of the mixer, and you can see this is the cement winning hooper. On it also have a vibrator to help the cement flow smoothly into the mixer. There is also a pneumatic butterfly valve. This is the water and additive collecting hooper. It also have a butterfly valve and also soft connection into the mixer. This is the ladders for going up to the top of the platform. Your workers can go inside to check the conditions at any time. When the whole plant are in work conditions, the wheels are up and the support legs will stand. These support legs are all hydraulic. We have some range to adjust the whole plant heat, but not too much. This is the hydraulic pump, which is used for the hydraulic sport legs. In this part, there is also a box. This box is a tool box. You can store some tools inside it. And this is the high-pressure cleaning system. After you use the concrete plant, and you can wash the whole plant, wash the inside of the mixer by it. Also, some more details. You can see these plugs all around the whole plant. All are air plugs with high quality to make the whole plant much more safe. You can see the belt conveyor and the aggregate hoopers. And the brain of the whole plant is the control system. Let me show you. The control system is at the end of the whole plant. This is our control panels. There are some buttons on it, and when you choose menu mode, you can control the whole plant by these buttons on the panel. And when you choose auto mode, you can operate all on this touch panel. The touch panel is for automatic. The whole control system is for automatic. You just need to set your recipe on the touch panel, choose it, press, set the total amount of the concrete you need, and press start. The whole plant will start automatically, and after finished the set amount, it will stop automatically. This is a micro printer. You can print today's work and make a record. Inside the mixer, you can see the electric parts and the wire connections. We use Siemens brand PLC, and all the electric elements are snagged. These are the electric joints. Will go with the machines. Of course, this one is a touch panel, and if you need, we will make an update control system to match iPad for you. If match iPad, there will no touch panel on this door. On top of the control system, there is a cover. When you use, you can raise it, and when you don't use, you can close it for water and sunshine proof. This is the belt conveyor you also require. When concrete finished, it will this discharge door will open and discharge the concrete in the collecting hoopers and by the belt conveyor to convey the concrete into the truck mixer. The belt conveyor is the belt conveyor heat, discharge heat can be adjusted. You can see the four holes here, and you can change the connection hose to adjust the discharge heat of it. The whole belt conveyor is 12 meters, but it can be floated. And when you move sides, you just can float it and put it directly on the truck. Transfer site is also very easy. That's all. This is the whole plant we made. we match very high quality spare parts, and the whole plant structure is